Hey, welcome back to this brand new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to design this amazing protein bar packaging design with different three flavors. Here you can see our design, this beautiful, organized and amazing and tasty designs with different three flavors. Here you can see with on mock-ups, and this is amazing. So let's get started with these designs. I'm Here you can see our Adobe Illustrator. So today we will design Adobe Illustrator. So here is our rough draft of our packaging designs. So I just made simple in Adobe Photoshop. So you don't need have any amazing drawing skills to just draw. Just simply draw a rough sketch. So don't worry if you don't have any specific drawing skills. I'm just rough idea. So where we can put logo, where we can put image, where we can put our packaging headlines, where we can put our ingredient list. So all this stuff just made in Photoshop, and it's okay. So let's track it here. And now now let's get started. So this unhide this layer and hide this layer. So here you can see our design is ready. Here you can see our color swatches, and I design with four colors. So simple brown, cream, blue and tan color. So just simple four color four color and one with one font. So please don't use so many fonts and colors in your design. They look so ugly and unprofessional. So let's get started. Firstly, just put in our colors on swatches panel. Just click on colors and click group icon and select OK. So as you can see, our color in swatches panel is ready. So now ready, just simple click on rectangle tool and select green colors and drag rectangle. So don't worry about bar packaging size. So what, just simply drag it here. On the last we will adjust our box according to our bar packaging. So as you can see, our color is not visible on white artboard. Just drag some rectangle and draw box and click color black, and now right mouse button and click arrange and send to back. So just press object and lock and selection. Here you can see, so this book is not disturbed again and again and move. So just drag it just drag it and other box with the help of alt and right mouse button. Okay, so let's get started to our amazing design. So firstly, let's see our rough sketch. Here you can see some logo on top of it, an image in the middle and some text. Okay, so just unhide this layer and just put on our design according to our rough sketch. So just simple click on this logo. You simply drag our logo. Here you can see our guideline is on. This purple line is our guideline. We just active on a view panel, so they helps us a lot. Our design follow alignment. So now let's get started. Our title, some profile protein bar. It's our bar name, just put it here. So I use simple one font. The font name is bottle coffee. So this is free font, so don't worry, you You don't need any subscription. You don't need any subscription. This is totally free. I just put a name in the description, so you can download here. Okay, just drag it here. Our image is just simple to test. Enjoy our fuel protein bar after a workout. Just simple. Our line and no sugar added. That's simply text. I put an on image, so looks natural. So now it's time to put on some other text. So this is our protein. So this is our protein bar flavor, which is chocolate almond crunch, and same font that I used on all of same font that I used on all design. So just press unlock this layer so they don't disturb. Okay, so let's drag this line. Just simply press pen tool and just drag it. Just click on pen tool and press shift button on your keyboard and just drag it here. Your line draw will be straight. So add some more text like protein, fiber, some important information. And now time to add weight. Here you can see on some baby rectangle that I used in design. So don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to design. Just simple draw rectangle and go to effect. Just click on distort and transform and click on roughen, and now just some details according your desired look. So add decrease some detail, some size. Just play with according to your design and press OK. And here is our design box. Amazing roughen box is ready. So just press delete it because we have already. And now our front part is ready. So let's put some almond images. So don't worry, I'm gonna provide all these assets in the description. Just don't worry. I put almond images for looks natural. As you can see, our bar flavor is chocolate almond crunch, so that's why I use cool almond images, so looks natural and yummy for yummy look. So just put in here our tagline, fuel your body, fuel your life. As you can see, I'm using same rectangle on our tagline. Just put in some important ingredients, and now it's time to put some important nutritional informations like this is a simple rectangle. Just drag it here and your table is ready, your content of table is ready. So just put in here some more information about allergic information for people who have allergy for some ingredients. So now it's time to add in cool and dry places, and now add some almond images on our back side. So here you can see our design is ready for chocolate almond crunch. So you can see our just simple access, our chocolate part, some almonds, some peanuts, some beards, some berries, some peanuts, again some blueberries. So you can see this is of one image, this is one image, and these images is separated. So how it is possible? So don't worry, I'll tell you how these images is separated from one image. So first of all, just click any tool like pen tool, like pencil tool, like brush tool, whichever you like it. So first of all, make a copy. Just press alt and click any tool. I'm click on pencil tool and fill this color and fill any color and just drag on our images and select both of images and both of object and press make right mouse button and click make mask. So you can see our first image is ready. Now it's time to some more images and select and just press make clipping mask. Now you can see our armored image is separated like this, but here you can see add some drop shadow for realistic look, but they don't have this one. So don't worry, I'm gonna tell you how to add this drop shadow. First of all, click on our image and click on effect. Now go to stylize and drop shadow. So this is dialogs box will open. You can add any changes according to your desired look, like opacities, direction, colors. Play with according to your design and press OK. So you can see add some drop shadow. So I put it here because our design is already lit. So here are our three different flavors, some peanut butter crunch and berry and almond. So our design is ready. These two design I made with same method and same font, same imagery and different colors. For blueberries I use blue color, and for peanut packaging design I use 10 colors and add some peanut imagery and add some berry imagery. You got all these points, and if you learned something from in this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Final presentation, I hope you guys liked it.